Excellence Online. Subscribe to our channel now for more educational videos and press the bell icon for more updates.
Yes, class. After syllabi, another part of this video is exam system, assessment, evaluation, testing, right? Without good testing, you cannot develop your skills. If we do not have a testing system professionally or academically good, means we will find huge problem. Even after application of curriculum, application of curriculum includes testing. Yearly system must be divided into 4 quarters. Yearly system is not better system. A 12-month study. Most of the candidates they study at the end of the session, last 3 months study. Now yearly system is not applicable professionally, though we have a huge problems and regarding management and administration, but again yearly system should be divided into 4 categories, 4 quarters. Into 4 marks must be divided into written and skill enhancement activities. 1 paper of 100 marks, written paper, or we have 1 practical basis of rectification practical, only 15 marks. No, I mean written paper and skill enhancement activities papers. In most of the university they have this system 60 and 40. This should be introduced in all graduate colleges and in higher schools. Second, we have leave cramming based exam system. Most of the papers are cram based. Even those they do not study, they can guess, they can predict. In 2019 paper, essay topics, these are essay topics, and they have rectification. Most of the school teachers they inform children, they inform students, these questions are important, memorize them. Most of the college and university professor they inform, they tell the topics before examination. Topics, right, you can tell, but how do you design your paper, how do you judge the topics, how means one is conceptual, from conceptually you must judge, cramming base, knowledge base and calculation base. We have different segments right, to design a test. Second is training and workshop session on the test designing experts. We do not have experts test designer, sorry to say, unfortunately, and we must conduct workshop and seminar regarding test experts and how to design the test. Designing the test that will produce expertise. One institution is ICAP, they have better testing system. Test reliability and validity, very important. We have in some of the cases copy culture, or we have rectification culture. This is only basis of test reliability and test validity. We do not know, or we do not use test validity and test reliability. We do not have application of test validity and reliability. Collaborative skills enhancement programs. One school, college, university with another school, college, university, collaborative efforts to enhance skills. This, though we have in some domain we have this activity, but again this activity is only traditional activity. I mean productive, generative activity, right? Innovative activities. Thank you. This is all about curriculum. In next video we will discuss more points regarding curriculum. Thank you.